On today's menu, a workout that's pumping with intensity, a super effective 10-minute chest and back routine. Hey guys, it's Anthony here. Today we're diving into a muscle building workout so quick and effective, it'll make your microwave jealous. Now I know what you're thinking, a full workout in 10 minutes, no way. But stick with me and I'll show you how to maximize your gains in no time. Before we get started, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment. It helps me more than you know. Let's begin. A quick stretch to reduce any tightness and avoid potential injuries. Next is our warm-up, starting with the incline bench press to work the chest. Aim for about 60% of your working weight for 2 to 3 reps. Okay, here's where the magic happens. We're going to do a series of sets with minimal rest in between. Start by choosing a weight that's challenging, something you can lift for 6 to 10 reps. Once you're set up, let's begin the working set. The goal is to push until you can't complete another rep with good form. Up next, we're doing a drop set. And since we're not resting, these reps will be more challenging, making them highly effective. I'll start by dropping the weight by about 30% and then do as many reps as possible with good form. But we're not done just yet. Next, we're doing Myo Reps. They're great for creating high tension in the muscles, leading to maximum muscle growth. This is another chance to get in some highly effective reps. To do this, we'll rest for 4 to 10 seconds, then do as many reps as possible. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. If you've chosen a challenging weight and pushed to or near failure each time, meaning you couldn't do another rep with good form, you should only be able to manage 1, 2, or maybe 3 Myo Reps per set. This tells us that our reps are highly effective, giving us the best results in a short workout time. On the other hand, if you find yourself doing 5, 10, or even 15 Myo Reps, adjust your weight accordingly. By now, you should feel like you've done some work. While we take a 2 to 3 minute break, let's address a common issue I hear all the time. I'm working or studying full time, and it's hard to find time for hour-long workouts. Well, guess what? There are no excuses now, even on a busy day. This routine takes less time than your partner deciding what to eat. Next up, bent over rows. Since we're already warm, we'll dive right into the working set. Again, choose a challenging weight you can handle for about 6 to 10 reps. For the drop set, reduce the weight by about 30%. Then push for as many reps as you can while maintaining good form. Without resting, we'll finish with Myo Reps, aiming for 3 to 5 mini sets. Make sure to rest 4 to 10 seconds between each one. And just like that, we've completed a workout that's more efficient than my iPhone 5. And the best part is, we've guaranteed gains. And we still have energy for a super productive day. Feel free to switch up the exercises to target the same or different muscles. Just make sure each one is highly effective. This is part of my weekly workout routine, and it's built the body I have today. To learn more about how I build muscle in under 10 minutes a day, try my 6-day ultimate part-time bodybuilding fitness challenge. It's simple, actionable, and it takes less than a few minutes a day. Plus, you'll receive the challenge emails directly in your inbox. And better yet, it's completely free. Click the link below now to get started ASAP and claim your spot. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.